Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install the OnlyFans app on Android. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser or any browser you prefer on your Android device. In the search bar, type onlyfans.com and press enter. Once the site loads, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From the menu that appears, select Add to Home Screen, then tap on Install. This process may take a few moments to complete. After that, go to your app drawer and you will see the OnlyFans app installed. Now you can access OnlyFans with a single tap. Log in or create an account to start using the app, and there you have it. That's it. Now you know how to install the OnlyFans app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.